Hello, everyone. This is Rick Baker. I'm in the Frisco, Texas office at Coldwell Banker. Here's what's happening in the real estate market today. It's just a huge opportunity. Right now, it's almost like the country's torn in half in more than one way, so if you think about it. But anyway, real estate. This is Axios. It's a large data collection firm, focuses on real estate. The bottom half of the country, the prices are down, even though people are moving from places like New York, New Jersey, California. They're moving here. What happened was last year, the interest rates went down to 6%. Our markets are driven almost 100% by new construction. The builders last year thought that the 3 to 4 year period of very high interest rates was over, so they put up thousands of homes. Now those homes are sitting there because the interest rates went back up. Now, what that means is that sellers are very negotiable right now. Builders are just begging, literally begging for a deal. But the long term is just unbelievable. Here, so there's so much money moving into Dallas. Look at this. Any other city, that'd be a front page news. Here in Dallas, that's an everyday occurrence. Another $2.5 billion coming into Mansfield. Mansfield's basically Frisco South. Same demographics, great schools, great amenities, great quality of life. Long term, the big money is flowing into Dallas. We are number one for retail construction because as more people move here, you need more neighborhood services. You need more dentists, you need more mechanics, you need more stores, you need more grocery stores. So the major Wall Street firms are now putting up and building for what's going to start to come. Everyone knows the rates are going to drop next year. And if you wait till next year, you're going to miss the train. What's possible now is to go out, negotiate very aggressively, and the seller will counter you no matter what offer you send in almost. Unless you do something like half price. But anyway, if you write an aggressive offer, the seller will counter you. I've signed 2 contracts in the last 8 days. Both of them are walking into huge amounts of equity. One of them, it was new construction. The in-house lender for the builder just looked at it and said, we don't even need to do an appraisal. That's how good of a deal it was. Give me a call again. It's Rick Baker with Coldwell Banker, 972-836-8880. For those of you that want to sell your house, don't. Why add even more to the inventory? Give me a call. I'll show you what's the right way to do that. I was an investor before I was a realtor. At my peak, I owned 52 rentals at the same time. I self-managed them. I teach people how to go from renting to owning to landlord in a few years. The best thing to do right now is go out, negotiate, get a great deal on another home, rent out the first one, and start to create generational wealth. That's what's possible right now. It's a very unique opportunity. If the rates drop in September or October or November, we're going to have a huge amount of people go out and get and recreate the strong buyer's market that we had before. So it's an opportunity. You should give me a call. I'd love to talk with you about it and show you what's actually happening in the market. Thanks. For those of you selling again, go to my website, neversellyourhome.com. It shows the numbers of how Dallas is an economic miracle. All the Wall Street firms are putting billions and billions and billions of dollars into Wall Street. Some of the big high-tech firms, NVIDIA, they're putting out a massive computer chip factory just northwest of Fort Worth. Fort Worth gave them, I think, $100 million in tax breaks. If they're building super chip factories here, Texas Instruments, they make the chips in your phone and in your car. TI, as they're called, $35 billion chip factory up in Sherman, Texas. I'm negotiating with a builder up there right now for a client of mine. They're offering amazing deals. Give me a call. But if you have a home now, give me a call. I'll show you what you can do to rent it out. Even if you stay in the same school district so your kids don't move a block over. Buy another house, rent out the first one. In 5 to 10 years, you'll be very happy we had that conversation. 972 836-8880. Last year, I was named top 4% in the world for Coldwell Banker. I might know what I'm doing. Besides that, when's the last time a realtor told you not to sell a house?